G'day, it's product review time. How you doing, people? We want to introduce you to the four-way hat stretcher. Now, many of you have purchased the two-way hat stretcher, which is very popular, very well priced. We're introducing a new product, the four-way hat stretcher, for that extra little bit of finesse when we're doing the hat stretching. Now, you'll notice that if we pop it inside the hat, that as it stretches out, it will stretch out in all four directions. Now, it's a pretty clever design. As you can notice, if you close up there, it's got this section that as you screw this, it widens. Now, if you look at a standard hat stretcher, let's just say it pushes up and down, it doesn't push out. So you get that extra benefit of pushing the sides out if you want to get a little bit particular about your hats. Now, it comes with detailed instructions. The elastic band here around the side just holds it all together, but it's a really, really good little product. And you can see, you need to manually move it a little bit, but you can pop it inside pretty much any hat. Now, I'm just using an Akubra felt hat here at the moment. But you can use any hat, really. You can use caps, you can use baseball caps, fitted caps, you can use straw hats. And this gives it a lot more gentle, subtle approach. It's more expensive, obviously there's a bit more engineering in this product compared to your average hat stretcher. But for those people that want to finesse the product a little bit better, then this four-way hat stretcher might be the one for you. Hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time.